lover. Caught your eye, won't find another. Lips so soft and the skin like butter. Wanna take a look behind the covers, but hold up, you should know. Cause drinks with all of her friends. Blow your mind.
Today is Wellington's flagship conference, FuturePMO. It's designed to be a safe space for people to learn, share and grow and think differently about their PMO and project management maturity. So we theme the conference every year to make it more fun and interesting. This year is all about magic.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to FuturePMO. I think what I like about this one is there's the high proportion of practitioners, right? People who are actually doing it and yeah, connecting with other people who are facing similar challenges is a differentiator, I would think.
Yeah, I think it's a really great event because you're not bombarded by suppliers. You know, we have the associations represented here, but it's a very nice way to network with other PMO professionals.
And of course, we always end with something fun, something different. And this year, a magician who was just astonishing and just impressed us all.
I think that means it's certainly
Very friendly, very informative, really incredible having the different types of speakers and the keynote speakers, mind firing all the time, so many ideas, and being able to move from room to room depending on where you are in your journey. I thought that was really interesting.
Hearing from people who have done the PMO journey and at different stages of maturity was really helpful. The variety of topics is really quite good, and also the quality of the speakers was exceptional. So I thought it was a brilliant event.
Please stick around, say hello, have a drink, and I'll see you next year. Thank you very much.
So today's been amazing. We've had some really inspiring and insightful stories. Next year is all about the Rawsome PMO when we go to the Jurassic world.